Hello guys, welcome to my channel guys. Today I am going to show you a project that is called hospital management. This hospital management code in PHP with SQL database. So let's see. First, I will give the source code in my Telegram channel. Get the source code from there and put your source code in the C, local disk C. Then go to the XAMPP, then htdocs. Inside there, you can have to put your hospital management source code. Okay. Now that's fine. Now simply open the XAMPP server. Start first to Apache and SQL. Start from here. I have already started. So let's now go and open your browser. The browser you can use any browser. Now open the PHP My Admin panel. Then go to the import section. Here go to the choose file section. And in the hospital management system there I have provided a database with SQL. Choose that file. Now scroll down. See there is a import. Click on import. See my database are imported. I'm showing you this. Search. And there is the appointment table, bills items, consultation request, doctor tables. In doctor I have already have one doctors here. Medical report, medicine, notification, ASN. This there is notification. Okay. Rooms location images. See guys, in users there is already three. First one the admin, second one is doctor, yes, third one is patient. Now let's go on the another tab. Open search localhost slash our file name hospital management. Enter. See, this is our interface guys, and first there is the three panels. First is patient, second one is doctor, third is admin. So first we will register as a patient. So use the name as a Rahul Kumar Rahul at gmail.com. Put in the password 123456 and roll. There is a two option patient and doctor. So I'm putting simply patient. Yes, created. So I'm creating one again. Chotu Raj Chotu at gmail.com. Password on to 6 and 12%. And I have created two. Now go and register. First one is Rahul at the rate gmail.com. Password from 1 to 6. Now log. See guys, we have logged in as a patient. This is the patient dashboard. Here you can click on the dashboard. See, this is the dashboard. Here, no appointments, no past appointments. Now we will simply request the doctor from here. Submit program. Okay. So see, there is one doctor on there which is already in database which I have shown you. See, in doctors section. See there is already a doctor section. Okay. So choose this doctor. Okay. Describe what is the symptoms you have. Fever, then submit. So submit. When you will submit, now you can see your submission here. Okay, you can see the submission here. The status is pending. Okay, so Now log out and register as a doctor. Rakesh Kumar Rakesh @gmail.com. Password 12345 and patient doctor. Role as doctor. Okay, registered. Now go for the login. This is my email ID. This is the password. Yes, I'm logged in successfully. Go on the dashboard. See, there is no patient. View consultation. There is no consultation because that patient has been choose doctor. There is a doctor now. And choose doctor. This doctor MBBS and this doctor. So now we have already. There is a doctor name is Kumar. Okay. So now login as a patient. Now submit problem. Here you can see that the doctor Rakesh Kumar, which I have created as a doctor. When you will submit your query, it will show here. See, Rakesh Kumar, Doctor Rakesh Kumar, pending symptoms IP. Now log out and log in as a doctor. Go on the dashboard. See, there you can see total patient which I have registered as a Rahul. New consultation. See there the same Rahul Kumar. Symptoms IP pending. Now put accepted. Update status. So you can see that accepted. Now I will show you as a total patient one. Now I am showing you to log in as admin. So admin hospital.com. Password is password. See, there is total. See, this is the total doctors at level 2, patient 3, today appointment 0, pending consultation 1, which I am building. See, here the recent activity, in recent activity, it will show the all login, logout, whatever there is withdrawal. Here, in this is the manage doctor section. Here you can see the in manage doctor section, you can manage the doctor. Let's click on it. See, there is 2 doctors. You can add new doctor. See, you can add new doctor. See, the doctor has managed. Now go to the manage doctor. There which I have added the Patra Vikram hospital. This is the phone number, specialization. Even you can delete. See, are you sure you want to delete this doctor? Delete it. Yes, as so now everything is working fine. Okay, go to dashboard, manage doctor. Okay, fine. guys. See, there you can manage doctors, everything you can add, delete, edit. This is what totally fine, guys. And even I can show you there the in doctor section. See, that I have added two doctors now. It will show you. So I think so. My internet, it has internet issue. Very good issue. Yeah, guys, see, this is the patient. This is the doctor section. You can see the doctors. All right, guys. So this is the project, guys. Even you can log out here. I have shown you many times. You can log in as a doctor, patient, and as a admin also. So, guys, if you want the source code, I will provide in the Telegram channel name Fact Explorer. So you will get the source code from there. So thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye. Love you.